What's happening? We just got to our Eagle Lake campground. It's the Christie campground. We're in the Mahogany Loop. Haven't set up yet. Gonna do a little time lapse of the setup. It's Brandon's birthday on Saturday, and Alyssa and Jaxon are gonna meet up with us. It's gonna be a party, birthday party. So here we go on the time lapse breakdown of camp. It's a time lapse setup of camp. We got most of camp set up, unloaded and tent set up. We're just finalizing. Crystal is blowing up the air mattress and setting up the bed. I'm going to start hanging up hammocks. Then we're gonna get a fire going and make some steak for dinner. Hopefully I can do my best to film, but I'm kind of over it right now. So just setting up camp. We'll see you in a minute. Crystal got the tent all set up for us. It's looking lovely. We're gonna walk down to the water of Eagle Lake. And we don't even remember which car we brought, if it was the Jeep or if it was Crystal's old Explorer. We called it the Exploder. So we were paddling on something. There has got to be a video out there about this, because now I remember taking video of the pelicans. Maybe it's when my hard drive failed. That might have been one of the camping trips before Emerald Bay canoe trip. It might have been the canoe. It was... oh my goodness. It was the end of the season. We had this whole campground to ourselves. We brought the Jeep. It overheated on the way up here. Yeah. Smiles on faces. We got our camp all set up. We got some crazy lights going on. Lights in the tent. Lights on the ground, lights over the table. Memorial Day weekend, you know where we'd be right now. Cali Roots is where we'd be right now. That's okay. We're still having a great time. Gotta love it. It's not sunset yet, but I got these lights turned on. And we got a fire. I think this is our first, I mean, that fire pit from the last place was dope, but it just didn't feel proper camping fireplace. This is like a proper camping fireplace. Crystal wanted to let everyone know how adorable Shasta is right now. And Crystal's got some corn going on in the fire. Not too afraid of holding the GoPro near the fire because I just saw one that survived a lava flow. So, GoPros are strong. Crystal's cutting board, who likes it? Just turned around and saw this epic sunset going on right now. It says I'm at 0 battery, but hopefully I can show you guys a little bit about the sunset. Crystal's got the steak, corn, and I got some grilling beans in a can. Hammocks, Shasta grill. Oh, it's a beautiful night. Crystal won't let me turn on the lights yet.
Not yet.
All the other lights turned on. I think it's time to turn on the lights.